Hello everyone, this is Zach from Sifu. Now this video here I'd like to share with you some of the stocks that potentially we can monitor moving forward. And of course, a quick disclaimer, I'm not here to do any buy and sell call. If you want to do any trade based on our video here today, make sure you got your own trading plan. Okay, so a quick one for those that who are new to us, this is our Sifu website, or you can download our apps, okay, to use it in your mobile phone. So just create an account, log in. This is where the normally we will provide you information on article basis, on daily basis, for example over here, and some of the potential trade signal as well, okay, from here. So probably moving forward in my new video I will cover more into this trade signal, how I usually use it and look for a good setup stocks. Okay, now let's start with our first stocks here today. We got ECONPILE. Now ECONPILE is one of the, I think, most of the exciting counters currently on 5th of October. We are still in the morning section, by the way, by the time doing this video here. So now currently it's already up around 9%. I think morning just now is around 12%. It actually formed a nice so-called the flag patterns, okay, the triangle patterns. Okay, so here we got like plenty of strength moving along. Okay, so we got like strength signal moving along with the 20-day moving average, usually is representing there is healthiness in the chart. Okay, so of course right now looks like they are started to do some reaccumulation type of patterns. Okay, so today volume increasing I think is nice. Okay, of course we want to see prefer to see how is the closing looks like. So if you miss the bull, I think no need to worry. Resistance is still there. Okay, I don't think usually when they start to form a triangle, it gonna takes time, okay, for them to move sideways before they breaks out again. So again just my prediction, I'm not sure. Okay, you again check out your own um, risk to reward whether it's okay or not. So my guess, okay, is that probably they will hit here again, may not pull back somewhere around here. So by the time it hits here, the 20 and 40 MA will be slightly crossing over here as well. So this is the area that probably I would check out again my strength signal. Okay, is there any good so-called risk to reward, okay, for me to look into to decide whether I want to enter or not. Okay, now next one, also same, they're actually moving in a uptrend already, now forming a little bit of triangle patterns right now. Plenty of strength signal also along the way. Okay, so here, okay, looks like a nice solid uptrend. Okay, just want to draw this nicely. But looks like right now they are kind of like started to form a little bit of reaccumulation. Okay, so as long as they are still above the 40 MA, I think it's still fine. Okay, again, PST we got two or three strength signal. Okay, kind of like happening. Okay, or appearing almost in the same area. Okay, so this strength signal for me is very important because this is the one that actually determine where should I look for my potential stop loss or cut loss. Okay, so for example, this is one of the charts that I've been following, but I didn't enter in the end. Okay, so yesterday I checked again, do a quick check. I was surprised they actually break below. So for example, over here, Rand Hill, they got three strength signal in the almost in the same area. I can say it's around 63 cents area, but I think this is from last week. Okay, or Monday. Oh, sorry, this is Monday. So Monday they break below, increasing volume. Okay, now this is again telling me that maybe I want to relook into it, decide should I exit or not. Okay, again normally I will exit, but I'm not here to do any buy and sell call if you are holding Rand Hill, but I will exit. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the same thing also for potentially for HIAPTEK, decompile. If let's say they break these strength signals, which is the support area, this is again to kind of like telling me that okay, yeah, I should relook into it. Maybe I should look for the exit opportunity. Okay, so now next one probably I'll look into is IWCITY over here. Okay, another hot stocks lately, but of course I think it's time for them to do some reaccumulation after a nice big trend from here. Okay, so from the base, okay, this is from the so-called the second strength signal. Okay, from the top here, we already have around 140 or 150% of movement. So again, it's pretty normal for them to do reaccumulation or probably a deeper pullback. Okay, now do bear in mind the price, the volume, when the price is increasing, right? You normally we don't see climatic volume, but the volume over here is pretty climatic. Okay, so I think that it's gonna take time for them to break the next resistance because maybe they will do another round of reaccumulations from here. Okay. Now the reasons why I look into it because I was looking for a short-term opportunity. I'm not looking for another 100% movement. But if let's say from here to the next resistance, I can get 10%, or probably from this resistance here, I can get 16%. I think is pretty good enough for me for short term. Okay. Now today is crucial because yesterday we do have a hammer candle. Okay. So as I said, normally handle candles, okay, you want to see a confirmation. Okay, today so far so good. Okay, it didn't really drop below of the body, okay, of the candles, okay, of the hammer candles. So of course I'm still waiting until like maybe like 4 p.m. or no rush. I still can wait for tomorrow to see what's happened, okay, for IWCT. Okay, but probably I will continue to watch out for this. Okay, so next one is me technovation. Okay, me technovation, not too exciting. Okay, not too exciting, but I think slowly they are riding in this trend over here. So still hold well on this 20-day moving average. We got one strength, two strength. Now looks like this is a new support area that probably I will watch out again. Is there any solid strength signals happening in this area here? Okay. Now again, a quick four counters that I think is moving forward is worth to pay attention to. Hopefully, tomorrow next week. If I spot any others new counters that I think worth to mention, okay, I will post into our Telegram. So make sure you join our Telegram, and I'll see you in the next video.